What is going on, guys? You're a little low right now because I'm actually charging my phone right now with my GoPro because I'm a mess, man. I just got out of work. Let me try to unplug this real quick. Multitask, do all this stuff. This guy's jumping out of the way because he sees me all over the place. Oh, okay, all right. So we're heading over to Tiburon, which is a little fancy area in California, because Porsche Marin invited myself and along with a few other people to a soiree where they're gonna unveil the new 2025 Porsche Macan. To be honest, I don't dabble in anything about Porsche unless it's a 911. Not even the 918 makes my butt pucker. You know what I mean? Like, the rawness isn't there for me, but just the 911s check every little box. You know what I mean? It's dark right now. It's evening. I was supposed to be there at what, 6:30? It's 6:28 right now. The sun's going down. Oh, the Golden Gate looks gorgeous now. I just missed the peak like golden hour, but dude, I don't even know if I'm gonna make it. I'll make it, but I'm struggling because I got no fuel too. The dashboard's a little different. The dashboard, if you saw my delivery video, you know I'm in the old girl. I'm in the old Benz. I can never kill this girl. She's just die hard is an animal. Like, this guy is okay. I have ADHD. I'm jumping off track, but let me get back to what I was doing. They rented out a little area to have a little unveiling of the Porsche Macan. It's a 2025 Porsche Macan, which is electric. Do I hate electric? I wouldn't buy it. Like, me personally, like, I don't see a need for it, but I get it. You know, people that are commuters, and if you just need it around the city, if you're like a big like road trip type person, I don't think an electric car is for you. Like, you're a big camper, like you like to see the sights of America, and you know, just get you a nice SUV with a gas. You know, again, I'm off topic. Let me just get back to what we're gonna do today, because I struggle with that, and making videos is hard because I just keep babbling. But look at this view. Again, I'm all over the place. Again, so we're heading over to Tiburon. We're gonna check out the unveiling of the 2025 Porsche Macan. And to be honest, I am digging the looks of the new Macan. I'm not an SUV guy. I think all the new like SUV, all those family sedans, they all look alike, especially the electric ones. They all have the same shape, which is kind of weird to me. It's like, you don't need front air dams, so you can really make the car look any way you want. So I don't know why they all look kind of generic and boring. And the dashboards always look like an office desk. It looks plain. There's nothing to it. It's gross. There's just no style to it. But the Macan, I don't know. I actually like the looks of this brand new Macan because it's sportier. It's edgy. It actually looks mean. And I can't wait to actually see it in person, because in photos it looks pretty dope. Like, there's some sharp edges. It looks aggressive. It's got some beauty to it. It's, to be honest, a lot of the SUVs kind of look alike. They're just like this teardrop look, this like water droplet type style to it. And it's like, meh, doesn't do anything for me. But I'm excited. This is my first like outing with Porsche, and it's a little unveiling. So we're heading out there now. So I'm trying to make my way and cut through traffic here. And I'm so low on fuel. This Benz, luckily it doesn't chug too much fuel, so I'm all right with that. But it's getting dark. Hopefully I have enough charge. I have like 50% on my phone, which is enough. It's a Samsung, so it's gonna last forever. But man, I can't get enough of this view. So I'll check back when I'm in Tiburon and kind of show you the landscape and all that, because you know, from the pictures of it, it looks like a beautiful venue that Porsche Marin is set up. And I'm greatly appreciative of them to send me out an invite and documenting all this, because this is, since I got my car, Porsche Marin, they've really opened their arms to me and like let me know what's going on. That's the coolest thing about Porsche, is like, it's almost like a family group, you know what I mean? Like, you get it, and all of a sudden they send you these things like, oh, this is going on, if you care to go, blah, blah, you know, they let you know what's going on. It's not just like, you get in your car, I'll see you on your next, service appointment. You know what I mean? It's nothing like that. They keep you in the loop of what's going on and what's new, what's trending. They kind of ask you like pretty often if you're okay with like the service of your car and how's the car treating you, anything bothering you, blah, blah, which is kind of nice, because to me, that tells me that they care about their product. You know what I mean? It's not about just selling the product. They care about, you know, the integrity of the product and the name. So I'm loving the attention they give to not only the buyers, but the people that are actually owners of these vehicles, because they look out for each other. It's pretty dope. So it's cool to get these invites and kind of stay in the loop of everything going on. So I'm excited, man. It's my first time going to a Porsche unveiling. I've gone to an unveiling before. It was actually for the Utopia with the Pagani. Jesus God, my names are getting all over the place. It's a long day at work, guys. Bear with me. So I went to the unveiling of the Pagani Utopia, which is pretty dope. That was out in the vineyard. That was my first unveiling, but that wasn't like an invite. That was just it was a public thing. So I just showed up. But it's kind of dope to get an invite and kind of feel like you're part of the family. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm excited for this one, man. All right, let's check it out.
While we're on this subject, I just want to give a quick note of appreciation. Riley, Jacqueline, Vaughn, Courtney, and everybody that came and made this event what it is. We're so grateful to have you, and I couldn't do half as good a job without your support. So, without further ado, we would like to present to you the all-new Macan
Oh, I can't fit in here, dude. Oh man, it's snug, man. All right, 6'4". How's your legs doing? Pretty good. That's not bad. I'll probably go back more. Let me know when it's touching. All right. Yeah, that's not bad, dude. There's plenty of space. I'm 6'4", 320. Justin's back there, you can't see him. Back on the bridge, there's cops out. Can't really record. But man, that event, Jacqueline, everybody at Marin that set that up for the Porsche Macan 2025 launch, the Turbo, phenomenal. It was a great time. Thank you for the invite. Oh, I should probably lower the music. I'm sorry, but that's, if you're gonna get a Macan, just get the Turbo. Just dish out the extra cash for the Turbo. And 630 horsepower, if not more. That's a joke for your soccer mom to go get a latte and drop your kids off at soccer practice. As a commuter, that is probably the best thing you can buy. And there's a ton of space. You got your frunk and you got the rear hatch. What else do you want? Like IQ can't see me. I'm on the bridge. This construction. I'm gonna record just because I feel like it. But like, at what point does the horsepower just like, you know what, I think this is enough? You know what I mean? Speed limit's 40, 65, 80 if you're cruising with everybody else. It's not really the legal limit, but 630 horsepower, 0 to 60 in what, 3.2? That is insane for $103,000 for a turbo, for a Porsche Macan Turbo. The base is 75, and then it's the Macan 4, or the Macan, yeah, I think it's the Macan 4, which is I think 82 or 78 grand, and then the 4S, which you're talking about, I think 500 horsepower, and I think the 4 is 400 horsepower. Dude, that's insane numbers for a car of that size. what else? If you're a commuter and it's electric, I'm not a big fan of electric, but if it's suitable for your commute and you don't need a charge port, like I wouldn't say it's a road trip worthy car because it gets like 300 something, 340, 350 miles to range. And then let's be honest, the infrastructure of charging ports aren't really there yet. You know what I mean? Maybe in California, but in the rest of the country, I don't think it's there yet. But if you're looking for a haul-ass commuter car that you're not going to get bored of, I think the Macan is it. And I know you guys can't see me because like I'm driving in the dock and I just want to like kind of talk about the event right now. Porsche of Marin did a phenomenal job, and to like, you really get a sense of community. They do a hell of a job putting that out. It was beautiful. The food was phenomenal. The music was on point. I couldn't really record because, you know, because then I can't really post it on YouTube because then you guys miss out, you know, because YouTube hates music and you get demonetized and then you guys don't see the video. But the event, Porsche Marin really did a good job. I hope they do more of these things. Porsche Marin, if you're listening, please, please, please do more events like this. The new GT3's coming out, you know what I mean? There's so many things. I hope you guys do more of these events. Collab with whoever. I know it's not cheap, and that's why we pay these big prices, but man, these events are so worth it. And the networking is legit. Like, you meet someone, it's not even like business related, it's like community related. Like, there's some dope people that you meet, like I generally wouldn't come across, you know what I mean? And then having the same interests and likes and so on and so forth, it's just dope to have all these people come together and like just socialize, talk, you know, really get to know the, you know, people in the community. And it's sick. It's so sick. Like, I love it. That's probably the best part, is just like the people that you meet. Yeah, the cars are dope as hell. The food's good. You know what I mean? The music's like, it's just an all-time good time. You know what I mean? So hats off to Porsche Marin. I know you can't. Oh, I'm going into the tunnel, so maybe now you can see me. But man, little lanyard. Got the little lanyard going too. Probably can't see it. It's all right. I'm probably better with this darkness anyway. I look a little slimmer. But man, such a good time. I can't wait for the next one. If you guys like this video, or if you don't like this video, you guys want to see more, I know it's kind of dark, but I'm really thinking I might test drive that Turbo Macan because I really kind of want to get a feel for it. Let me know if you guys would be interested in a video of me actually giving a raw, real review of me driving that Porsche Macan, because I'll do it. I have no interest in electric, don't get me wrong. It's just not for me. But it makes sense if you're a commuter. I haven't grown into the electric EV scene, you know what I mean? It just hasn't been for me yet. I don't have a bug. Hey, you never know, if I drive this Macan, I'm like, oh shit, this is pretty nice. It's something about the rumble and just everything that you feel on a combustion engine is just different. And then you can hear the little sounds and what's going on. It like talks to you. Like it tells you what it's feeling, what it's going through, just by the sound of the motor, just everything. You kind of have that bond with a combustion engine. I don't know if you can get that with electric. I headed back home again. Porsche Marin, phenomenal event. I'm looking forward to more of these because it was top notch. Kudos to you guys. Hats off. Everything. They do a phenomenal job at Porsche Marin. If you guys need anything from them, reach out. They have a great crew. Yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do a little test rip on that Macan. I think I just might do it. I'm interested in it. I think it's the best looking ride in the EV market. And it's so weird. I feel like EV cars could do so much more. The Macan looks unbelievable. It looks mean, it looks aggressive. It's got hips to it, you know, it has a nice stance to it. The turbo is the way to go. It really is. And their color scheme is good. And dude, even white looks phenomenal in that car. You really see the body lines really nicely. Surprisingly, because usually white cars, you're just like, blech, you know what I mean? Kind of hide stuff, but yeah. Well, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm gonna post this one up, and we'll see if we can get a test drive going in the next video. Ooh, let's see what happens. All right, peace, laters.